Have you ever tasted these yummy, delicious sprouts? Sprouts are absolutely, whoa, I'm throwing them on the counter. They're absolutely amazing nutrition that each of us can get easily. They're super easy to grow, and I'm going to show you how in this video. But they are a complete protein. They have the full entire amino acid profile that you need for rebuilding your body. If you want quick nutrition, just grab a bundle of sprouts and eat them. Throw them on your salad, eat them raw. Do like me, and I have a yogurt bowl. I throw them in my yogurt bowl. I love it. You could put them in, throw them into a smoothie. They blend up really nicely. You could juice them. Get them into your body because they are absolutely one of the best nutrients that you can get. How you make them. You start with good seeds. I've been using a different brand of seed and it's always molded on me. It's been frustrating. I thought maybe it was my process or something. I switched to these seeds and I like them. They're organic. They grow really, really well. You can put the link. I did find these on Amazon. Hello, beautiful. I am so excited that you joined me in this video. And when I was recording it, I forgot to mention that I have a free resource for you. It's called the Made to Heal Roadmap. Did you know that God is an orderly God? Did you know that He has a formula that we can follow to achieve His promises? In this roadmap, I have laid out exactly the steps that I took. I want to save you time. Comment map below. I'll get that right to you. You were made in the image of God. You were given His DNA. You have the ability to heal. So come on the journey with me and comment map below. I can't wait for you to receive this resource. It's going to be a game changer. All right, enjoy this video. They're really good. The salad mix gives you a good variety. It's got, let's see, organic alfalfa, organic radish. Radish is fun. It gives it a little zing. Organic broccoli. Broccoli sprouts are one of the best. If you're estrogen dominant, it'll help pull out the too much estrogen or the xenoestrogens. Actually, most of us need that help with the xenoestrogens because we use so much plastic. We're exposed to so much plastic and it builds up into our system as xenoestrogens. And then organic clover. So very good in assisting the body for long-term health, for recovery, for if you've got diagnoses. It helps fuel the body. It gives the body loads of vitamins, loads of minerals, loads of the complete protein, the amino acid profile that you need for health. So how we do it is so easy. You're not going to believe it. So typically I grab a quart-sized jar. Since I don't have one because I have some growing already, I'm just grabbing a small jar and I have a tablespoon. I am going to put 1 tablespoon of sprouts. That's what they look like. They're all different sizes because there's 4 different kinds of seeds in there. All right, so it's gonna look like this. And then I'm going to pour a little bit of clean water. This is distilled. You could use spring, you could use reverse osmosis. It needs to be clean though. You don't want chlorine in it. That will inhibit the growth and whatever toxins are in your water, your seeds are going to soak up. So I just filled it up just a little ways. See, and these are going to soak I usually do it in the evening and I soak them overnight. Put a lid that has a screen on it. This is what I currently use. So you're going to put that lid on, let them soak overnight. And then in the morning time, when you wake up, you're going to leave the lid on and you're going to pour the water into the sink. And you're going to rinse them. So you're going to rinse kind of like that. You're going to swish it around and then you're going to pour the water out. You're going to drain the water out. And for the first day, while the seeds are still not sprouted, a few of them are starting to sprout, but you're going to want them in a dark location. You're going to want them sitting upside down so they're not sitting in any sort of water. So I usually sit them kind of like this. Now I know there's stands on Amazon that help you hold them up if you don't have anything. I will put the links in the notes below. I need to get some so I can do multiple at once. But you're going to put them in like a dark corner. You're going to put a towel over it and let them sit. Rinse them twice a day. You rinse them twice a day. Once they start sprouting and you start seeing some, it's usually yellow little shoots that it looks like, because they haven't seen sunlight. So then you're going to want to put them in a window, and you're going to want to let them sit in the window until they look nice and green and healthy like this. This is when you know it's time to eat them. And honestly, you can leave them sitting in your window in the jar, sprouted, and leave them there for a few days and grab a little bit out and use them, but still continue to rinse them 2 or 3 times a day. Rinse it, fill the jar up, shake it around, spread the seeds out, let them have some flow, and then dump it and continue to let it stay upside down in the window and let it get that good sunlight so it turns nice and green, because the green is the chlorophyll. And chlorophyll helps, it gives our body loads of nutrients and brings health. So sprouts has been a key to my rebuilding journey, and they're so easy to grow. It's just so simple. It's a matter of starting out in the dark. You be sure to rinse them. I do rinse with sink water. I don't rinse with my distilled water, just because it takes a lot of water to rinse them. So I do use my sink for that. I just don't start the soaking process with sink water, because this is actually sitting in the water for at least 8 hours, enough to start cracking that and get the sprouting process going. So hey, beautiful. What about this video? Isn't it amazing? This has been a game changer for my health, and I believe it will be for yours also. But did you grab that map I offered at the beginning? Did you comment map below? I seriously want to get that Made to Heal roadmap in your hands so that you can shortcut your healing journey. It doesn't have to take 10 years like it did for me. You were made to heal by God, and you were created in His image. So comment map and enjoy the rest of this video. Sprouts. This bag, I think it cost me, obviously prices can change on Amazon, but I think this cost me like $17.99. And it is, where's the ounces? It's 16 ounces. I'm using 1 to 2 tablespoons a time. So this bag is gonna last a very long time. So it's super cheap, inexpensive, easy, doesn't take a lot of time way to get amino acids into your body. It can replace the collagen powder. It's way cheaper than collagen powder. It's got full amino acids. It's got all the vitamins, all your minerals. It's just loaded with power, and it helps pull the bad out of your body. So it's detoxifying and it's nutrifying. So love sprouts. Super easy. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Let me know, was it hard to grow them? Did yours mold? If it molds, maybe you need to rinse them more often. Maybe you need to allow a little bit more airflow into the seeds. Maybe tip them slightly different. Play with it. See if you can get them so that you have healthy green sprouts to serve to your family. Be blessed.